to check out today's video. This video is sponsored by Janet Collection. Was kind enough to send me their new TRESS. These are the jumbo faux locks, and these are in 12-inch, and these are a 1B. So as you guys know, I've been making these crochet wigs that are U-part wigs, and I really like them because they look so natural. These wigs make it really look like you actually put locks like individually into your hair. It doesn't look like a typical crochet. And what I love about it too is that it allows you to take the wig off, and you don't have to, you know, cut your crochets out. I know for me, I like to change my hair every 2 to 3 days. And if I put in these crochets in as a crochet hairstyle, then when I'm ready to change my hair in less than a week, I'm literally cutting out the locks and having to throw them away. So to me, it was just such a waste. I had to figure out another way to do crochet styles, but you know, have them look natural and also be short-term wear. So this is the solution I came up with. If you guys want to see more of how I actually make the wigs, then I will put a link up here to where you can see the actual tutorial of me making the wigs. This time I'm just going to show you guys how I put the wig on and how I install the crochets. If you guys like this head wrap that I'm rocking, I am having a head wrap sale on my website this weekend. So make sure you sign up for Gleemade's email list. Gleemade is my website where I sell wigs, head wraps, and hair accessories, which is going to be this weekend, and it's going to be a buy one get one free. And as long as you're signed up, you'll be able to get the coupon code. So this is what the unit looks like. It is a elastic cap. It is stretchy, so it will fit all sizes of heads. It has a comb in the back, and it has 3 combs at the top. This is the U-part section at the top, so it kind of just goes around your head like this. And these are what the crochets look like. I can't remember offhand exactly how many packs I used with this, but I do have the bags, so I can count how many bags are empty right now, and that will tell me how many packs I used for this. I do have 2 packs left over, so I'm thinking I'll use that at the top. So these braids are really old and really fuzzy. After this, I'm probably going to take them out because I have some braid hair that I need to show you that's also from Janet Collection. So Janet has been super generous lately, and I'm loving showing you guys all these new Janet looks. So I'm going to go ahead and stretch the cap over my head. So what I also love about doing this is cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is really cute. I knew I was gonna like these. These are cute. These are like the perfect length of dreads. I absolutely love them. They're super chunky, but they're not heavy. They're so lightweight. So cute. I can even I think I would even love these if they were long, like maybe 28 inches or something crazy. These are so adorable. Okay. What I love about these U-part crochet wigs is that it's no tension on your hair. It's like literally 0 tension on your hair. When you have crochets in every single cornrow on your head, like there can sort of be tension all over your head. But in this style, you literally have the combs in 3 places at the top. If you do feel that there's any tension, you can readjust. And I actually love this on old braids, because once the braids get old and they're not so tight to your head, it's even less pulling. Like, I just love it. So I just took these out the pack. I'm gonna just go ahead and crochet some of them in the front. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill in the rest and I'll come back when they're done.